Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi and this is our hospital pharmacy lab, and this is you can see here the centrifuge that is used in the lab. The centrifuge is the apparatus which is used for the separation of blood and blood in which the serum can be separated from a blood. Here you can see the parts of centrifuge. This is the rotator, which is very flexible while rotating. You can see the rotator in which we can use our blood sample. There is no blood sample, but as a demo I can show you the blood sample. Here we will place the sample, and here is a lid of centrifuge, and this is, you can see here, the speed accelerator, that is on or off. You can see on or off. If you want to increase the speed, here is a 2 or 3 or 4. This is the 3000 rotation per minute, and this is the 2000 rotation per minute. This is the 1000 rotation per minute. Mostly 2000 rotation per minute is sufficiently for separation of blood plasma, in which we can separate out the blood. And this is the whole in the working of principle is work on the basis of centrifuge. While rotation, there is centrifugal force in between the blood test tubes, in which can separate out the blood. And here the upper part is called supernatant liquid. The lower part is a lower liquid in which blood rise, and the upper part is the supernatant liquid is generally used for that. So this is the basic working. After placing a sample in rotor machine, there is a holder for test tubes. After placing a sample, we can start the button for that, and after 2 minutes you have to stop the centrifuge and look at your test tube. The upper part is called plasma and lower part is called RBCs, and we can use the plasma for different types of tests in lab. So there is a working of centrifuge. Thank you, and thank you.